What if I told you the secret to rebuilding lost muscle after 60 isn't hidden in a gym, it's hidden in what you swallow before bed? For years, seniors have been told to just exercise more if they want stronger muscles. But here's the shocking truth. Studies show that after age 60, up to 1% of your muscle disappears every single year, no matter how active you are. That's why people wake up weaker, stiffer, and more at risk for falls even if they're walking daily. But new research shows that the timing of certain vitamins at night can literally switch on your body's repair mode while you sleep. I'm Dr. Sis Thomas, and in today's video, I'll share the 4 vitamins that science says work best when taken at night to help rebuild muscle overnight. Stick with me, because the last one is almost never talked about yet. It may be the most powerful for seniors. Losing muscle after 50 isn't just about looking weaker, it's about losing independence. By age 70, nearly 40% of adults suffer from sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle loss. That means their legs feel heavy, their arms can't lift groceries, and simple tasks like getting out of a chair or climbing stairs become exhausting. And the consequences go far beyond inconvenience. According to the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, seniors with low muscle mass are twice as likely to fall, and falls remain the #1 cause of injury and disability after 65. Even worse, weakened muscles don't just affect strength, they reduce metabolism, leading to stubborn belly fat. They affect blood sugar control, raising diabetes risk. And they even impact brain health, because your muscles act as sugar sponges that protect the brain from glucose spikes. Many seniors notice this quietly happening. Pants fitting looser around the thighs, arms looking thinner, grip strength fading. And yet they blame it on just getting old. But here's the hard truth. Muscle decline is not inevitable. Science shows we can slow and even reverse it if we give the body the right building blocks at the right time. That's where the secret of nighttime vitamins comes in. Because while you sleep, your body is in its natural repair mode, fixing tissues, balancing hormones, and rebuilding muscle fibers. With the right nutrients before bed, you can turn those 7-8 hours of rest into a powerful overnight gym. Now, before we get into the exact 4 vitamins, let's talk about the mistakes I see seniors make all the time, mistakes that stop them from rebuilding muscle even if they're already taking supplements. Mistake number 1, taking vitamins in the morning only. Most people swallow their pills with breakfast and think they're covered. But here's the problem. Your body uses vitamins differently during the day. In the morning, energy demands go to movement, digestion, and brain function. At night, however, the body prioritizes repair and rebuilding. If you only take vitamins in the morning, you're missing the very window when your muscles need them most. Mistake number 2, relying only on protein shakes. Protein is important, but without the right vitamins, your body can't use that protein effectively. Think of protein as bricks and vitamins as the cement that holds them together. Without cement, the bricks just sit there unused. That's why some seniors drink protein shakes daily, but still feel weaker every year. Mistake number 3, ignoring absorption. As we age, stomach acid and enzyme production decrease. That means even if you're taking vitamins, your body might not be absorbing them well. For example, calcium taken alone often goes unused and may even cause constipation. Pairing it with vitamin D and magnesium dramatically improves absorption and function. Mistake number 4, inconsistency. Taking vitamins here and there doesn't work. Muscle repair is a nightly process. Skip days, and you lose the compounding benefits. The science is clear. Consistency turns small daily choices into big long-term strength. The good news? Once you avoid these mistakes, Even a simple nighttime vitamin routine can begin restoring strength, stability, and independence. And now, let's count down the 4 most powerful vitamins to take at night to rebuild muscle overnight. Now let's count down the top 4 vitamins to take at night if you want to wake up stronger and protect your independence after 60. Number 4. Vitamin C. Most people think of vitamin C only for immune health, but studies show it plays a crucial role in collagen production, the scaffolding that holds muscle fibers together. Without collagen, your muscles weaken like a house built on shaky beams. Taking vitamin C at night supports connective tissue repair so muscles don't just grow, they stay resilient. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, or a gentle supplement before bed can help. Number 3. B-complex vitamins. Muscle repair requires energy, and that energy comes from converting food into usable fuel. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, are like spark plugs in this process. A Harvard Medical School report showed that seniors low in B12 had significantly weaker grip strength. Taking a balanced B complex at night ensures that during sleep, your muscles get the fuel they need to rebuild. Number 2. Magnesium. This mineral is called the relaxation vitamin for a reason. It regulates over 300 enzyme reactions, including those that control muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium often shows up as leg cramps at night or restless sleep. A study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation improved both sleep quality and muscle function in older adults. By taking magnesium before bed, you not only sleep deeper, you wake up with muscles that actually feel rested. Number 1. Vitamin D. This is the game changer. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It directly activates receptors inside muscle cells, improving strength, coordination, and balance. In fact, seniors deficient in vitamin D are nearly twice as likely to fall. A 2020 meta-analysis showed that vitamin D supplementation improved lower body strength, especially when combined with resistance activity. Taking it at night allows your body to pair the muscle activation effect with the natural surge of repair hormones during sleep. So, if you want to rebuild muscle overnight, don't just exercise harder, feed your muscles smarter. A nightly routine of vitamin C, B-complex, magnesium, and vitamin D can transform your sleep into your strongest workout of the day. To understand why nighttime vitamins matter, let's look at how the body actually builds muscle. Every time you move, your muscle fibers experience tiny tears. Repairing those tears is what makes muscle stronger. But here's the catch. That repair process doesn't happen while you're exercising. It happens while you're resting and sleeping. During deep sleep, your pituitary gland releases growth hormone, often called the youth hormone, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. But here's the problem. As we age, levels of growth hormone and testosterone naturally decline. That means seniors don't get the same repair signal as younger people. Without the right nutrients in the bloodstream, the repair process slows to a crawl. This is where vitamins come in. For example, a 2019 study in nutrients showed that vitamin D directly activates muscle cell receptors, improving both strength and balance. Vitamin C helps form collagen, the scaffolding inside muscle fibers. Magnesium regulates over 300 enzyme reactions, including those that control muscle contraction and relaxation. And B vitamins play a critical role in converting the food you eat into usable energy for repair. What's even more fascinating? Research from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that nutrient absorption follows circadian rhythms. That means certain vitamins are actually absorbed and utilized better at night when the body is in recovery mode. Think of it like this. Taking the right vitamins before bed is like delivering fresh building materials right when the construction crew shows up. So, instead of wasting another night letting your muscles shrink, you can give them exactly what they need to grow back stronger while you're sound asleep. So let's bring it all together. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about weaker arms or legs, it's about losing freedom, independence, and the ability to live life on your own terms. But the truth is, you don't have to accept it. Science has shown us that by giving the body the right nutrients at the right time, you can rebuild what aging tries to take away. Every night, your body enters a natural repair cycle. If you do nothing, that cycle grows weaker with age. But if you supply it with the 4 vitamins we talked about, vitamin C, B complex, magnesium, and vitamin D, you're stacking the odds in your favor. You're turning those 7 or 8 hours of sleep into 7 or 8 hours of healing. Imagine waking up feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident, not just for today, but for the years ahead. And here's the best part. This routine doesn't require expensive gym memberships, complicated machines, or endless supplements. Just 4 simple vitamins, taken at night, can make the difference between a life of caution and a life of confidence. If you found this helpful, please share it with a friend or family member who could use a boost of strength and independence. And don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal the single worst bedtime habit that silently destroys your muscle recovery, a mistake most seniors make without even realizing it. You won't want to miss that. Until then, remember, stronger muscles mean a stronger future.